Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unlock and remove battery. Now remove optical drive screw. Next, use screwdriver to slide out and remove optical drive. Next, press in tabs and turn over keyboard. Now disconnect and remove keyboard. Now remove bottom base screws. Then disconnect Palmrest cables. Now remove Palmrest screws. Next, use fingertips to separate bottom base from Palmrest. Next, disconnect hard drive cable. Now unscrew and remove hard drive and caddy. Now separate clips and remove memory. Next, disconnect antenna cables. Now unscrew and remove wireless card. Next, unscrew and turn over circuit board. Now disconnect and remove USB audio circuit board. Then disconnect and remove speakers. Now disconnect heatsink. Then unscrew and remove heatsink. Now unscrew and lift hinge from motherboard. Now unscrew and turn over motherboard. Then disconnect and remove motherboard. Now unscrew and remove LCD display assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.